Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to present PowerPoint on Google Meets. Sharing presentations through Google Meet is easy. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as we post a new video. Starts off by opening up the PowerPoint file that you want to present on Google Meet. Once you do that, open up any web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type in meet.google.com and press enter. Log into your Google Meet account if necessary. And once you're in, joining our Creator Google Meeting. In my case, let me click on this new meeting option and create a meeting right now. And this will open up your camera. If you'd like to hide yourself, then you'll need to click on this camera icon at the bottom of the page. Add the participants for your meeting by clicking on Add Others. Search or invite participants on your meeting and click on Send Email to send them the invitation. Once they start joining into the meeting, simply click on the Present Now button at the bottom of the screen. And from the pop-up, you'll be able to see three options displayed. You can present your entire screen, a window, or a particular tab. If you go with the first one, then all of the participants will be able to see every actions of yours and all the data in it. If you switch between apps, participants will be able to see that as well. To protect your privacy, choose the second one, which is known as a window. If you'd like to present a tab, then simply tab on a tab option and select the content on your screen from the options displayed. If you'd like to share the audio as well, make sure this box right here is checked and click Share. And now you're sharing this tab to Google Meets. Go ahead and present your PowerPoint file to your participants and let them know what's happening on the screen. If you'd like to stop sharing, click on Stop Sharing at the top. And that's how you'll be able to share or present a PowerPoint presentation in Google Meet. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.